Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all see this? Valve covers. You know what that means? Valve covers off this ProMaster. Alright, what does that mean? One could suspect valve train noise, guys. That's usually why valve covers are off of 3.6. But those are 3.6 Pentastar valve covers, by the way. So let's go over to the vehicle because I want to talk to you guys about some a little misconception or a little myth as it relates to the typical gasoline combustion engine. For some reason, this is not your typical. Well, it is, but it just. We'll talk. Let's go over to the engine. Okay. Now, as you can see right here from the parts, you have two camshafts here. So here's the engine, guys. Now, remember what I said. This is a ProMaster, right? This is clean as a whistle, right? You don't see no sludge. Normally, see that? Something down there? That's why I should always cover this stuff up. I hope you see that. I'm going to have to let them know about that. But my point is, guys, I can't see which cam bad, but I want to point some out to you guys. This engine is appears to have been kept up, meaning oil changes done on time, everything done, right? So the misconception out there is there can't be nothing wrong with the valve train if oil changes were done properly. I hear that a lot. I hear, well, if you change your oil on time, you won't have a ticking. It won't start ticking. Or you wasn't getting your oil changes on time because your engine is ticking. There's all kinds of horror story myths out there, guys. But the truth of the matter is, guys, this engine's clean. I'm telling you, I am shocked to see a ProMaster this clean. Normally they are heavily neglected. Okay, watch this video right here. Look at this ProMaster right here. In fact, hold tight. I'm gonna pull a piece of clip right here. All right, guys, welcome back. I am back. Here it is. Okay, I got them to tear it down. Okay, so this, ladies and gentlemen, is pretty much a lack of maintenance. All right, that is a big chunk of sludge. Okay, both cylinders heads. All right, with this being a ProMaster V6 3.6 liter Pentastar. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so it depends on how much money they want to put into it. Will determine the next procedure or the next repair or the next state. Okay, because when we see this here at the dealer, we pretty much recommend an engine because you're never gonna get all this out. I don't care how much you clean. Most of this sludge has made its way to the oil pan. Okay, okay, did y'all see that? Now that is one that appears to have not been well maintained. This one not such. However, as you can see, it doesn't matter. Which one is it? It's still a ticker. So what does that tell you? It really has nothing to do with if you Luke, that's the ticker right there. Now see that cam load? Okay, now that, see, he got the intake covered, but not the, but my point is, guys, it's not always the fact that, like, some people stand behind their super synthetic mobile one. You only use 0W45 super synthetic. They don't have no problems at all, guys. On this case, it's not about, I'm trying to find a sensitive way to say this because, yes, don't get me wrong, oil changes are important. Okay, the lubrication system has to maintain lubrication, right? So these valve train parts have to stay lubricated. Now, yes, oil pressure can play a role in that, but and this coming from me, this is nothing I read or nothing etched in stone or written text. Okay, this is my opinion. Doesn't matter. We got some bad parts, guys. It's all about the part. Okay, this part, if this engine hadn't been lubricated properly or oil changed properly, it wouldn't look this clean. This is my whole point. Okay, so I hear it all the time, guys. I hear it from well-respected guys too. Like they should know better. Like, and who am I to question what they're saying? Okay, everybody has their own opinion. This is mine. This is not. Uh, it's a lubrication problem, but it's more of a shitty part problem. Let me say it like that. Yes, some monetized. Hopefully, I'll just bleep that out. But these rocker arms were made poorly, guys. They have been redesigned, guys. Where is this bag of rocker arms? I want to see the latest and greatest right here. Guys, we are up to AH. Y'all see that? 0518-4296-AH. We're up to AH with rocker arms. Okay, so I want to say these are probably AB. All right, this is an older model ProMaster. All right, I want to say these are the early built. So all of those early built rock arms are crap. It has nothing to do with. Stop judging the complete engine by a ticking noise that you now have accumulated. Okay, you just got the old, outdated rocker arms that are now starting to catch up as far as lifespan. They're starting to die. Okay. And people kill me with the fatal flaw talk. If this was fatal flaw, we have been known to just replace rockers, let the car go, and never see the car again. A fatal flaw means it will return with the same problem, right? So think of it this way. We finna repair this. I'm sure those camshafts are for this bank. This is bank 1. Okay. He gonna do both of them probably. It looks like a cam and intake and exhaust. Okay. Now, say we put a new cam, new lifters, or new rock arms on here, and they come back chewed up right here, and this lifter gone again. Yes, you can start talking that fatal flaw stuff, but we never see the car back. The return rate is minuscule, non-existent. Once we replace all 24 rock arms, we never see the car again. And we got to the point now where we stop wasting customer money replacing the lifters. Okay, I don't do lifters unless it's demanded by the customer. They say, no, I want everything. You know, there's some customers out there, they adamant, I just want everything. Replace it all. Okay. But so I don't, because I haven't had problems with the lifters. Now, just say this rock arm bad, I will replace the lifter on that rock arm because it likely has been compressed the wrong way. So yes, that's a different case, but I need to get that off my chest. This engine is clean, so it's not that they've been neglecting it, which some would perceive that is the reason for this failure. No, the reason for this cam failure, guys, is because this crappy built rocker arm failed. All right, I'm almost certain the proper amount of oil is spurting and spitting over the complete oil. It wouldn't look this clean. This is my whole point. This looked too clean to assume lack of maintenance caused this. It's just crappy parts. Sorry, that's just the way it is. I might catch some flack back there, but it is what it is. Okay, so that doesn't mean the Pentastar engine is crap. That's another thing I want to reiterate. All right, this engine has some incredible numbers as far as horsepower and torque and all that stuff. So you can tell they stick these in Rams, 4-wheel drives, high power. This is a ProMaster. Okay, I hope y'all got my point. I hope I didn't offend anybody, but no, that failure didn't come from lack of maintenance. It come from a crappy part, and there's a lot of that's going on out there. That seems to be the case from a lot of them. All right, just crappy parts on this Pentastar engine. Has nothing to do with the owner. I've even heard owners crying. I don't know why my engine ticking. I change my oil every 3,000 miles, and it says to do it every 6. I do it every 3. JT, I don't understand. Those are the ones I have pity for because they do everything right, and sometimes catastrophic failure still happens. So, all right, I had to get it off my shoulders, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.